Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to our dear lecturer, Professor Madya Dr. Masitah binti Ahmad. Today our group will present about McDonald's Corporation. And this is our crew member, AMIRAH ATIQAH binti MOHAMAD ZULKAPLI, BARIZA binti SAIDAM, NURHIDAYAHNA binti KAFRI, NURUL AISYAH binti AZHAR, and NURUL NABILA binti SAMDANI. So for the first one, introductions of organization. McDonald's Corporation founded by Ray Kroc and started to open in 1995. McDonald's started to open in Malaysia in 1982 April, which the McDonald's first restaurant in Malaysia was opened at Jalan Bukit Bintang. And the first ayam goreng McD was being introduced in 1987. McDonald's started to open its first drive-thru restaurant at Jalan Pahang Titiwangsa in 1988 and launched their first 24-hour service at over 70 restaurants nationwide in June 2007. And in first McCafe in Malaysia was opened at McDonald's Kota Damansara in June 2012. In 2016, a cashless facility started available at McDonald's and went 100% online for delivery service in July 2016. So for their mission, vision and values, their mission is we aim to be the leader in the quick service restaurant QSR industry by maximizing profits and through our principles of QSC and V, which is quality, service, cleanliness and value, consistent with the needs of our customers, employees and community. For their vision is to be our customers' favorite place and way to eat. Their values is McDonald's mission is to be our customers' favorite place and way to eat, with inspired people who delight each customer with unmatched quality, service, cleanliness and value every time. So this is their organizational chart. And for the functionals, descriptions of department, for the first one is operations. For the operation departments, control all the equipment and franchising of restaurants while ensuring that the franchise are following the agreement set by the McDonald's Corporation. And the development department, it plans and manufactures products and they ensure that the products made are up to the quality set by the corporation, while they also develop new products for McDonald's. And for the finance department, they keeps records of the profits of the company and they keeps account all the transactions done by the company. And they also pays the salaries of the employees. And for our marketing department, the main job of marketing department is to attract new customers and organize their advertisements and promotions. For the last one is human resource. The human resource department handles the affairs of all the employees, which include retirement and dismissal, and also they recruit and appoints all the new staff. For the next, for information system in organization, the next presenter will explain more about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Bariza. So I will continue this presentation with the information system in organization. So before we go to the type of information system used by the McDonald's, I will give a definition of information system. Information system defined as a collection of interconnected components that collect, process, store, disseminate data and information, as well as offer feedback to achieve a goal. So in the meantime, information system management is a use of information technology to support the primary function and activities of a public or private sector organization. So ISM aids to the gathering, manipulation, storage, distribution and utilization of organization information resources. So here are the type of information system that we're going to explain. Transaction processing system, decision support system, management information system, expert system, and made for you system are the 5 main categories of business information system used by the McDonald's. However, there is another 2 types of information system employed by the McDonald's, which are hyperactive Bob system and the scale of point system. So I will pass this presentation to AMIRAH ATIQAH to explain more in depth about the information system used by the McDonald's.
There are several information systems available. For the first one is the Transaction Processing System, or TPS. TPS is intended to record and analyze data generated during the day-to-day operations of a restaurant. This system is the most significant system in business, where the transaction will happen when two individuals make an exchange and collect data. Therefore, the process of transaction involves collecting, storing, altering, and retrieving the transactions of an organization. Since McDonald's deals with a number of orders, the TPS records the relevant information such as the name of the supplier, address, quantity of item purchased, and invoice amount. It also reduces the difficulty the employees may encounter when performing tasks manually. Decision Support System or DSS. McDonald's has adapted this system to enhance marketing technology to assist management in making correct judgments by analyzing a big amount of available data. Hence, DSS is intended to analyze the available information regarding various elements within the restaurant and generate possible options and choices for the store's management to consider. Even it is used from electrical equipment, the final decision is made by humans. However, computers and software have always saved McDonald's organization time. Managing Information System or MIS. MIS is widely used in McDonald's because to assist and manage the organization efficiently by giving important data at the appropriate moment. MIS relies on three primary sources of information: technology, information, and people. So, MIS will assist McDonald's restaurant management and employees in forecasting and planning by knowing business performance and list of parameters to choose information that can aid in the decision-making process. MIS is used in McDonald's restaurant for financial management, inventory management, technical foundation, asset management, forecasting, time and expense management. The information collected is used to guide employees and staff, so McD can gain a competitive advantage over rival fast food establishments. Expert system is a type of information system that is designed to acquire and retain data using various technological devices for human reasoning and decision making. It is also very similar to MIS. Managing Information System. Lastly is the Scale of Point System or POS. Since McD received lots of orders in a short time, POS is used to ensure fast and accurate orders. POS speed up the business process by tracking large amount of data in seconds, and each order is promptly related to numerous workstations across the facility. This is where the cashier knows what payment is due, the kitchen knows what orders are coming up, and the customer knows how long are their order. Moreover, the POS system is primarily used to ensure customer satisfaction by speeding up the process and reducing the chances of error. POS and MYS cooperate to ensure optimal efficiency in the kitchen. Therefore, when an input is received, POS assists in instantly routing it to the right workstation. Lastly is the Scale of Point System or POS. Since McD received lots of orders in a short time, POS is used to ensure fast and accurate orders. POS speed up the business process by tracking large amount of data in seconds, and each order is promptly related to numerous workstations across the facility. This is where the cashier knows what payment is due, the kitchen knows what orders are coming up, and the customer knows how long are their order. Moreover, the POS system is primarily used to ensure customer satisfaction by speeding up the process and reducing the chances of error. POS and MYS cooperate to ensure optimal efficiency in the kitchen. Therefore, when an input is received, POS assists in instantly routing it to the right work.
In information system applications performance, there are 5 points that need to be emphasized. The first one is strengths, which are improved cost efficiency, time reduced, and increased productivity. The second one is weaknesses, which are lack of security, unscheduled downtimes, and handling operations. The third one is opportunities, which are enhanced their record keeping, improved company decision making, and business communication system. The fourth one is threats, which are data theft, sabotage, and accidents. The last one is recommendation and action plan, which are implement high quality of information system security and conduct training for employees.
An organization can get a direct competitive advantage in the global market by investing in the use of information system. Therefore, the selected information system must be usable for worldwide needs. McDonald's is one of the organizations that use various types of information system. Using different information system has many strengths such as improve cost efficiency, time reduce and increase productivity. The first strength for the application of the information system to McDonald's is improve cost efficiency. McDonald's has sought to computerize the company's operation and simplify their business daily by using information system technology. As a result, business conducted through the use of the information system really helps them increase efficiency in terms of their business process, and this provide an opportunity to increase productivity and profitability. After that, the strength of the information system is it can reduce the use of time in every process available at McDonald's. So, McDonald's use information system to help in terms of increase the speed of each order and transaction effectively to minimize waiting time for customer. In addition, it can reduce the number of human error and limit the normal use of paper, which causes a variety of issues. Finally, the strength of IS for McDonald's is that it help in terms of increased productivity. The use of information system help increase the productivity of every process in McDonald's management. McDonald's began by stamp performance record, analyze revenue reports, and other data to determine their specific strength and weakness. This stage will assist in the development of its business method as well as identify appropriate IS for use in the McDonald's organization. On the other hand, they also have some weakness for using different information systems. The first weakness for using the information system at McDonald's is lack of security as technology involved in their business dealings. This is due to their business using transaction processing system that are combination of software and hardware that handle large amount of consumer and commercial data. As a result, virus security breach in the system may occur, especially when user-sensitive information is stored in a database. After that, the weakness of the information system for the McDonald's is unscheduled downtimes that will disrupt their business affairs. When their TPS system breakdowns, even just for a short time, the organization can suffer hard loss as order will definitely be delayed or cancelled, and they will lose their customer due to network disruption, data corruption, or device failure. Lastly, the weakness of the information system for McDonald's is handling operation. The basic features of a transaction processing system in some way may also be disadvantaged when it comes to the ability to handle thousands of operations at once. The transaction processing system must organize thousands, even millions of purchases at a time, as well as debit new user bank accounts, store each person's banking information, personal address, and process the order to customer. Opportunities is something related to encourage external variables by giving a competitive advantage to the organization and providing an opportunity for something positive to happen, especially to McDonald's, who use a lot of information system in helping every process in their business. The first opportunity of the information system for McDonald's is to enhance their record keeping. This is because financial record, sales, and payroll are all stored in an information system to comply with established tax and labor rules. Successful business will take advantage of the ability to record their information system by organizing and displaying historical data in a way that makes it accessible when needed. After that, the opportunities of the information system for McDonald's is to improve company decision making. By providing all the necessary information in modeling the company's decision result, the information system provided in McDonald's can help in making better decisions as the system has provided the most up-to-date and accurate data. Lastly, the opportunities of the information system for McDonald's is business communication system. Communication is an essential element for the success for any business. By providing data to everyone in custom format, information system can improve McDonald's business communication, so their employees can see the change without talking to others because the data input is up.
The next point is threats. The first point for threats in information system is data theft. Data theft in information system can be categorized as one of the most worrying threats. This is because data theft can involve the identity and personal information of a customer being stolen by a hacker or thief. Typically, this customer identity theft involves the customer's full name, which are phone number, email, and credit card information. With such information, Thieves can use it for purpose of stealing through spam calls, electronic junk mails, and any other scamming ways. The next one is sabotage. Any individuals or insiders in the McDonald's are likely to sabotage McDonald's business using the knowledge in the information system, especially the staff or employees. This issue can be referred to the employee that wants to sabotage the employer because of some personal reasons. Usually, the staff will activate a computer program that will cause intentional damage to the information system of McDonald's and disrupt the work process for a specific purpose. The third threat of the information system in McDonald's is accidents. Accidents that happen in the information system are usually because of human errors. Human errors such as inaccurate data entry is one of the examples. Inaccurate data entry often occurs due to the exchange of data in the report or error in entering amount during the transaction is performed. Through that situation, some errors may occur, and data inaccuracy often happen because of employee negligence. From that, it can cause a threat to the information system of McDonald's such as transaction processing system. The next one is recommendation and action plan. For the recommendation, we suggest that McDonald's should install and implement high-quality information system security to protect the customer's personal information and data so that it is not being disseminated. In addition, sales transaction data, sales report such as restaurant profits can also be maintained with the security of information. For the action plan, we suggest that McDonald's should conduct a training for employees. This is because conducting training for employees about how to handle the information system and other related skills can give a good impact to them, as they will know how to adapt and manage the information management system and know how to do when the system is accidentally down because of specific and unexpectedly reason.
So for conclusion part, we know that McDonald's was founded by Ray Kroc in 1995, and there are many departments that are involved in order to make sure the restaurants are being organized smoothly. The information system IS in McDonald's have been covered by 4 key aspects, which is database, computing tools, technical communication channels, and IT, which contribute to McDonald's management. There are basically 5 types of business information system, but there are 2 types that are available in McDonald's, which are Transaction Processing System (TPS) and also Decision Support System (DSS). In the use of IS, there are many advantages or strengths and weaknesses that can be gained in McDonald's, such as improved cost efficiency for strength, and the weakness is the lack of security involved in their business dealings. And in the use of information system, McDonald's will get some opportunity by implementing IS in their restaurants, and there are also recommendations that have been stated in order to protect their customers and also for their employees. So that's all for us. Thank you.